How to do black bars opening effect. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to create black bars opening transition effect. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default should match your sequence properties, so just click OK. Drag and drop adjustment layer into your timeline and set its size so it matches your clip. Go to Effects and search for Crop. Drag and drop the crop effect into your adjustment layer. Now with adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls, under the crop effect. Make sure the playhead is at start of your clip and set the top and bottom to 50%, and click on stopwatch next to them to create starting keyframes. Now move the playhead a little bit more forward and set top and bottom to 0. Now we have this nice opening animation. To smooth the animation, select all of them, right-click on one of them, then select Ease In. To create closing animation, move the playhead to near the end of your clip, and click on these circles to create keyframes with current values. Now place the playhead at the very end of your video and select the first keyframes, then press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. At last, select the last 4 keyframes, right-click on one of them, then select Ease Out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.